You are being manipulated every single day, not by strangers, not by villains, but by normal people, friends, co-workers, even advertisements. And the scariest part, most of the time, you don't even notice it. Psychological manipulation is not about force, it's about influence. It doesn't control your actions, it controls your thoughts. When manipulation works, you believe the idea was yours. Gaslighting is when someone makes you doubt your own memory. You remember something clearly. They say, that never happened. Slowly, you stop trusting yourself and start trusting them. Guilt is one of the strongest manipulation tools. After everything I've done for you, you don't agree because you want to. You agree because you feel bad. Silence is not peace. Ignoring someone creates anxiety. Your brain wants closure, so you apologize even when you did nothing wrong. Fear shuts down logic. When you're scared, you stop thinking clearly. That's why fear is used in news, marketing, and power. Advertisements don't sell products, they sell emotions. Awareness is protection. Manipulation only works when you don't see it. The moment you recognize manipulation, it loses its power, and your mind becomes free.